Do you educate people online, like you do tutorials or mga educational talks, or do you do like mga training for new hires, and you have a hard time doing, editing the videos? I suggest you should check out this tool that I am using personally, and this is going to be like a 2 minute, 2 to 3 minute app review of Tela, no? So what is Tela, no? So Tela is actually a screen recording. It's similar to Loom. If you're familiar with Loom, actually ito yung madalas ginagamit for mga quick bite na mga videos, no? The reason why I like Tela is because it's easy to use, like super easy to use, like very intuitive siya. I think it's integrated with an AI, no? The one that we like siguro bigyan ako ng kaya na example, no? So when you upload the video to or when you record, like this one is being recorded using Tela, may split screen siya. So it records yourself, me, yung video, and then it records also the screen. So dalawang edits siya, bale. Dalawang video siya pwede mong edit. Yung kahit ikaw mismo, and then yung mismong video, which is not common with other tools, no? Sa kanila lagi nilang in-integrate both the video and yourself in the film. So pag dinownload mo siya, naka-embed na yung mukha mo doon, no? So hindi mo siya pwede edit kung anong gusto mo man. So this one, pwede mo siya edit. Meaning, pwede mong improve yung itsura. Kasi nga, ang gusto niyang gawin is it can work within, let's say, you wanna do, like makita mo yung example ng guy na to, no? So pwede mong ilagay yung sarili mo na ganyan. Pwede mong ilagay yung sarili mo like in different formats. Uh, like pwede kang side by side. Ang dami niyang options, no, which is for me like one of the best ones, no. So I'll give you an example. Let's say I did this short for Gemini review. Pag inedit mo siya, makita mo yung dalawang version, yourself sa video. So pwede mo siyang change to landscape mode. Pwede mo siyang change to portrait mode. Ikaw bahala. Pwede mo palitan yung sarili mo dyan. Pwede mong gawing small circle, big circle. Ayan. So, kung ano yung bahala kung ano. And you can put anywhere, no? So, this is the reason why I enjoy using Tela, because you can basically do the two edits. Plus, yung ano niya, ability to have the studio voice. It basically edits your voice before I upload it to YouTube Shorts. So, very minimal editing na lang siya. And then it has also an ability to do like zooms. So pag kiniklik mo yung mouse mo, it will zoom it there, no? So may AI component rin siya, no? So and I mean, this is generally like, nasasabi ko lang in the next 2 to 3 minutes. So happy na matapos ng 3 minutes. So but anyway, if you guys want to check out Tela, you really and they have a free tier naman, so you can use it as much as you want, no? So yun na po. Very good siya to check out.